But sticking with Google, Google could be headed for a breakup. The Department of Justice weighing a split for the company, citing unhealthy competition in the search engine market. The DOJ is saying in a filing it is, quote, considering behavioral and structural remedies that would prevent Google from using products such as Chrome Play and Android to advantage Google search. Google responded to the recommendations, saying the government seems to be pursuing a sweeping agenda that will impact numerous industries and products with significant unintended consequences for consumers, businesses, and American competitiveness. Joining us now to discuss, we've got Mozelle Thompson, former commissioner of the FTC. Mozelle, great to speak with you again here. To start it off, I just want to know, what does the market need to know about the potential implications of this?
Well, the first thing they need to know, this is going to take time no matter what. I mean, we're in a second phase, the second part of the trial. The court has already found that Google's a monopolist and did some things that they thought were anti-competitive. Now the second stage is the remedies phase. What kind of remedy will address those kinds of harms that the court found in the first part? Usually those cases take a long time. When I mention a long time, it could be a year, it could be 3 years. Remember Microsoft, it took many, many years. So it's an interesting problem. What the market needs to know is that in the meantime, the market and innovation keeps moving forward.
Mozelle, what do you think is the most likely outcome?
Well, it's going to be difficult. Let me tell you something. Breakups are hard to do. That it's an unusual remedy, and it doesn't occur very often. In fact, we've seen it rarely. Remember Microsoft decades ago, and you have in 1984 an agreed breakup for AT&T. People today still have questions about whether they were very effective in addressing the dominance of those companies in the marketplace. So I think what investors need to know is that when this takes time, to recognize that at the same time you have competition in this area. Google has been dominant in search for a long time, but don't forget, we've had this explosion of artificial intelligence. AI, the deployment of AI means that people have alternative to Google searches, that they can use artificial intelligence to search the web and get answers that they may used to have had to rely on Google to find.
So are you saying then, Mozelle, that the AI boom could kind of be doing the DOJ's job for them?
It is one of the things that people note. You know, one of the challenges for any of these court cases is that you're dealing with facts that have already happened, and as part of antitrust, you're trying to be forward-looking. But it's kind of hard to guess what the forward-looking is at the same time the market's iterating and innovating. So it's possible always that the kind of remedies that you might want to put in a court decision will be outdated by the time it's on a piece of paper.